Welcome to Elevate Innovation. Today we'll be showing you how to assemble a ribbon display. Let's get started. Begin by unboxing all components of the display. Remember to place the instructions to the side. You'll need those. Lay out all components in an organized fashion. This helps for better assembly. First step, secure the anchor pole to the base of the display. Next, attach the extension pole to the anchor pole and secure all components with the screws and screwdriver provided. Next, attach the header structure to the top of the extension pole and secure with the screws provided. Next, attach the ribbon to the header structure and secure with the screws provided. Insert both header cards in their designated spaces, one in the front and one in the back. Attach the header end cap to the header structure and secure with the screws provided. Place the bottle in the ribbon supported by the wire structure. And there you have it. The display is complete. This has been an Elevate Innovations production. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.